Hey guys, welcome to my home art lesson. Today we're going to be doing a lesson about perspective. So what is perspective? Perspective is, when I first think of that, it's a view from a certain person's position of a scene. So perspective. You could have a bird's eye perspective. You could have a point of view perspective. So today we are going to be doing a lesson on how to draw a road scene using correct perspective techniques. Awesome. I'm about to take you guys over to my studio and we're going to get started. Today you're going to need a pencil, a rubber, and just a piece of paper. Super simple, and then we'll get started. Okay, today's lesson on perspective is just going to be a 1-point perspective. So we're going to look at this image here. This is a photo that I took as I rode into the state of Montana after leaving Canada. I did this big bike ride in America, so it's a beautiful area right on the Rocky Mountains. So as you can see, we have a fadeaway point just here, and we have a road. Do you see how the road goes from quite wide to really small, like millimeters wide just up there? Also, some points that give this work depth and perspective. This power pole, quite large here, and then getting smaller, smaller, smaller. Same with the mountains. You can see them fading away. Same with these trees. Awesome. So I'm going to show you how to get started with your perspective drawing. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is just map out a few points. So you can see down here, the road goes to sort of the bottom section of the page. So I'm just going to put a little dash there, just estimate it. And this road sort of ends, and let me move this into the middle of the screen. This road sort of ends just to the right of the middle. Awesome. A really important technique that I like to use is using my pencil to work out what sort of angle these lines are on. So it sort of goes up and to the right. And this line here on the side of the road goes along like that. Your pencil is a great tool that you can use to be quite, not perfectly accurate, but really close. Alright, so it sort of curves in, and the road really hugs in. So it ends like that, something like that. Okay, next thing we're going to do is I'm going to just do a quick sketch of that beautiful Rocky Mountains. Aren't they gorgeous? Bit of snow on top of them still in June. Doesn't have to be perfect, just a quick sketch. Remember to sketch quite lightly to start with, because you can always get darker. Okay, these mountains here. Okay, so we've started with that. We've got a bit of a road line, and we've also got some mountains and horizon lines. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to add in that line. So that road line. It's really important for you to draw what you see, not what you think, okay? Not what you think that line's going to be. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to add in this power pole. Almost looks like it's falling over. Maybe to use that pencil. Okay, I'm just going to add in a little bit of a bush over here. Don't worry too much. Just give a bit of an impression. I'm more after accurate perspective rather than detail. Got a nice bush going over here. Mountains are a little bit fuzzy over here. Some general lines over here. Then we're going to come and get these clouds in here. Aren't they gorgeous clouds? Just an impression for today. Awesome. And then the subject matter just up here. We've got a car. And a car just over here. Looks like there's a bike as well. So that is the general gist on how to do a quick landscape with perspective. I'm going to upload a couple of example pictures that you could work from. Really enjoyed that quick sketch video on drawing a road with perspective. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. And also, make sure you post a picture of your drawing in the stream. Otherwise, submit it to the Google assignment that I will put up. Awesome, guys. Hope you're holding up all good at home. Any questions, queries, comments, feel free to ask. Happy to answer them. Thanks, guys. Look forward to seeing your drawings.